Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, for another 60-second pack crack here on Fahrenheit TCG. And today we have a Modern Horizons 2 draft booster pack opening here for you. So let's go ahead and see what we get. Starting off, we have a Funnelweb Recluse, a Mount Velis Manticore, Burden Aerialist, Break Ties, Hellmongol, Mongrel, Bottle Golems, Chrome Courier, Rustvale Bridge, Breathless Knight, Razortide Bridge, Arcus Acolyte, a Fast and Furious, Radiant Epicure, Zoran Orb, Inevitable Betrayal, and a food token there at the rare. Or at the back, sorry.